What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, Leak Noin, and I'm back with another video for y'all, man, you know what I'm saying? And today, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to make your own jorts from any pair of jeans that you may have laying around the crib. You wanna get fly this summer, wanna make some jorts. I got y'all, man, this video for y'all. So look, first off, what you wanna do, you wanna get yourself a pair of jorts. Make sure you get your size. If you want them tight, get you like a small size like these. I like my shit baggy, but these some skinny jorts. I made myself custom made, no diddy. These some Levi's, like, yeah, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I'm gonna be showing you how to do that in today's video. So boom, like I said, you're gonna need three things. You're gonna need a pair of jeans, scissors, and a washer and a dryer. Now these are some Levi's I thrifted not too long ago from one of my previous videos. So boom, you're gonna need one of these, right? And they look pretty mid right now, right? I'm gonna show you how to fix them up, man, you know what I'm saying? So boom. So on the second thing you will be needing is scissors and a marker so you can cut and mark where you want it on the jorts type shit, right? And the third thing, we're gonna get to that later. So boom, as y'all can see, I already drew the cut line, but just make sure that you always put the cut line below where you actually want it, because if you mess up, you can't fix this, bro. Like, your jorts are just gonna be short as hell. So make sure that your shit is a little bit long, and if you want them longer or if you want them shorter, just cut up. As y'all can see, I just got done cutting them, and make sure that the lines are even, bro, because you don't want your jorts to be a little bit longer than the other one. As you can see, these are a little, even just like a little smidge, so it'll trim that later on. But yeah, this is it so far. It's nothing crazy, bro. Nothing crazy. Boom, I'm finna go ahead and put these on for y'all and show you what they look like.
We getting money since getting money, and we still getting money, baby. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
So boom, this is the third step. You're gonna need to go to your washer and or dryer and just put them in there. Like, just throw your jorts in there, and they're gonna come out looking like this. Looking something like this. Let me see the ends of it. Boom. This was one of the first pair of jorts I ever made for you, like myself. They kind of baggy. And boom, cut them. They wasn't really flared for real at the bottom. If you want that flare, this only if you want that flare look. This is optional. But if you want that flare look, go downstairs, throw them in the washer and dryer. They're gonna come out looking like this, bro. The string's gonna be out. They're gonna be hanging. The shit will be hard again. And yeah, that's pretty much it, man. So that's all you gotta do. Pretty easy, pretty simple. Boom, man. If I helped y'all out, go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment, man. And let me know what else y'all want to see. Like, interact with me, man. Talk to me, man. Y'all my people, bro. Y'all my family for real, man. Like, y'all keep tapping in with me, and I appreciate y'all for tapping in with me, bro. And I like helping y'all. I like putting that shit on. I like getting fly. I like helping you get fly, bro. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, man. Like I said, appreciate y'all for tuning in. More videos on the way. More long-term videos on the way. Like, that short shit for that. We can take a break from that shit for a little minute. We back locked in with long-term content. And yeah, like I said, appreciate y'all for rocking with me. And yeah, it's your boy Leak Noin, and I'm out.